This is the male's courtship display, a drumming sequence used to shwango his territory and attract a male. With female drummeow reserves his display before responding. The male woodpecker beats the tree with its head to find a. The first of the season's brood has arrived. For these young woodpeckers, every day is a new opportunity to explore the world outside the nest. A new chapter begins. The first flight is both a leap of faith and a call of adventure.